So, good afternoon, and I'm Midshipman Cruz, and I will discuss about the draft survey in Excel application that came from Mariner's Guide. So, in the guidance, you will see that there's a text that says this form is made based on the midship coordinate system, forward of midship, uh, VE upward of midship, trim drop up forward. So means trim by head, VE trim by stern. Then so the next is draft cargo, wherein you can input some input your readings or the information that you get, and it will automatically calculate, and you'll have it, it automatically will give you an answer. So initial server draft check. So here the airship is evership, and it has they have the readings on their initial survey, draft check, and final survey. Then it's also a density, ballast, for what? I don't know the meaning of FW. FODOLO others. Oh, it is also have the cargo loaded and cargo discharge, displacement correction, target trim loaded, target quantity, etc. And for the initial check is uh, this is the draft survey report. You can see the evership, survey initial, flag Panama, its dead weight is 95349. So freeboard, wind, most likely it is the information about the ship, and part this part is most likely is the information of the ship, while this part is the survey form that's needed to be answered to have an answer. Next is draft check. So this is for loading one. It's unlike the other. It is just the information and the readings of the up, mid, and forward draft. For starboard, it's port, starboard, and its mean draft. Directional draft. So let's try to put some other numbers. 12.254, I guess. Voila. As you can see, the answer is changed when I change this port forward draft. Trimming, as you can see, trimming holds. It's just just for trimming by 2 holes calculator. So target trim to go up, fold, forward, hold, and that's that. This is the draft calculation, and I think it is also a cargo hatch calculation, wherein this is the cargo hatch calculation is the crucial part. That's the crucial part, especially for bulk carriers. It is a crucial part because these hatches might um, can be hug or sag that will um, mhm, that will create tensile stress, is which might cause to the breaking of the ship when um, that tensile stress reach its breaking point. So that's the disadvantage of the bulk carrier ships other on its other on other vessels. I know. So yes, this is another draft survey report. So you can see the informations, parent trim, beam, list, deflection, TPC, second correction, trim correction, displacement correction for trim density, gross displacements, deductibles, net displacement final. So I am still not familiar with the other uh, words here, such as this density of the water. I have no idea at all about this. And this is the draft and its displacements TPC, MTC, LBC, and I guess it's 1 to 1300 O2. So that's it. That's all I can do, and that's all I can say about this draft survey report. Thank you, and God bless.